So in this problem, we need to resolve the given rational fraction into partial fractions. Let us begin. So here we have a rational fraction which consists of two factors in the denominator. So since there are two factors in a denominator, that means that we are going to have two partial fractions. So let us suppose that 3x plus 7 divided by x plus 3 multiplied to x squared plus 1. This can be resolved into two partial fractions as a over x plus 3. This is going to be the first partial fraction, and then we have the second partial fraction with x squared plus 1 in the denominator, and the numerator is going to be bx plus c. The reason behind this is because we have a quadratic factor in the denominator. Our goal will be to find out the value of a, b and c. So let's state this as number 1. So what we'll do, we'll take equation number 1 and multiply throughout with the denominator of the left hand side. That means we'll multiply each term with x plus 3 times x squared plus 1, such that on the left hand side we are left only with the numerator part, so that's 3x plus 7. On the right hand side we have x squared plus 1 multiplied to a, added to, now we have x plus 3, so that will be multiplied to bx plus c. Fine. So that gives us 3x plus 7 equals to, what we'll do, we are going to combine all the like terms on the right hand side. So we have x squared, its coefficient being a plus b. Then we have x with coefficient 3b plus c. And then we have the constant term a plus 3c. Now what we'll do, we are going to include one extra term on the left hand side, which will be 0 times x squared. This is done so that we can compare both sides and equate the like terms to get a plus b equals to 0. So that's going to give us one equation. Then we have 3b plus c. So that's the coefficient of x on the right hand side. That will be equals to coefficient of x on the left hand side, which will be 3. This will be equation number 3. And then we have one more equation, the constant term, a plus 3c, that will be equals to 7. Now we have three variables and three equations. We can solve them to obtain the value of a, b and c. So here a comes out to be negative 1 over 5. The value of b comes out to be positive 1 over 5. C has the value 12 over 5. So now that we have the value of a, b and c, we can substitute this in equation number 1, such that we get 3x plus 7 divided by x plus 3 multiplied to x squared plus 1. So this will be equals to a, so that's negative 1 over 5 times x plus 3 plus bx plus c. So we have x plus 12 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 5 times x squared plus 1. So this is how we have successfully resolved the given rational fraction into two partial fractions.